Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gordon Ramsay's famous scrambled eggs. This simple guide will help you achieve a luxurious, creamy texture every time. You will need just a few key ingredients: 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of cold butter, and 1 tablespoon of creme fraiche. Get ready to transform your breakfast with this easy, yet sophisticated, technique. The secret begins with a cold pan. Crack your 3 eggs directly into the pan, then add 1 tablespoon of cold butter. Place the pan over a medium-low heat setting. Now, the most important part, start stirring continuously with your rubber spatula from the very first moment. This constant motion prevents the eggs from sticking and ensures even cooking. This next step is crucial for perfect texture. Every 30 seconds, lift the pan off the heat for about 10 seconds, but keep stirring. This stops the eggs from overcooking and creates small, soft curds. Repeat this on and off heat process for about 3 to 4 minutes. Just before they are fully set, stir in 1 tablespoon of creme fraiche for a luxurious finish. Your Gordon Ramsay-style scrambled eggs are now ready. They should be beautifully creamy, with small, soft curds and a slightly runny consistency. Quickly spoon them onto warm, buttered toast. Finish with a generous pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Enjoy this simple yet incredibly delicious breakfast, a true testament to proper technique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.